Hello Pythonians, this is Shahrukh, and in this DevGuides Python tip and tricks video, we will see how to install current version of Python, that is Python 3.10.4. With that, we will install pip and IDLE. Pip is used to manage and install Python packages, and IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. We will also run our first Python program. So let's begin. We will directly go to our browser, type in Python. As we can see, Python's official website is right in front of us. Either we can just go to the home page or click on downloads. We'll go with downloads. The download page is loaded in front of us. We'll click this button and it will download Python exe file for us to install Python. We would simply click on this button and it will open up Python installation window for us. Here we can see Python's official installer is right in front of us. Either we can use the express installation and just click on this button and it will automatically install Python for us, or we can go for the customization. I would recommend checking this add Python 3.10 to the path, as it will add Python to Windows path. I'll go for custom installation. I have to add pip, and ideally I'll read rest of the options as it is and just click next. I will install it for all users. You can change the path from here. Just click install and it will install Python. So guys, as you can see, setup is successfully done and Python is installed. We'll just close this, and now we have to verify if it's installed correctly. We'll go here. We have installed it in C program files, and here's the folder, so it's certain that Python has been installed. So we'll just close it and we'll verify it through CMD as well. We'll type CMD and click enter. Here we'll type the command Python and click enter. As you can see, Python is successfully installed in our system. We'll test run a code. We'll type print and click enter. As you can see, Python is successfully running in our system. We can simply press Ctrl and Z to get out of this Python window. We can simply check version of Python as well. We'll type Python space -- version. As you can see, we have successfully installed Python 3.10.4 in our system. We can also verify if we have installed IDLE in our system as well. Let's just close this CMD, go to start and type IDLE. As you can see, IDLE is visible in our search. We'll just click on it and it will open up IDLE for us. As we can see, IDLE shell 3.10.4 is open right in front of us. We'll test out if Python is installed properly with the print command. Print I am Python, and we'll just click enter. As you can see, we have successfully printed it out, so it's certain that we have successfully installed Python on our computer. There's another way with which we can verify that. Let me just close this and we'll just simply go to start menu, type Python, open it up. As we can see, Python shell is open right in front of us, so we can just again test it out with print command. Print I am Python. So we have successfully verified with this method as well that Python is working on our computer. So guys, as you saw, we successfully downloaded and installed current version of Python, that is Python 3.10.4 on our computer, and we have successfully run our first Python program in IDLE as well as Python shell. If you found this information useful, consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.